Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. One of the most important goals of my Wok with Tak YouTube videos is to promote vegetable consumptions through home cooking. And it is not an open secret that eating more vegetables will enhance physical wellness as well as psychological well-being. But the problem is that how? It took me some time to figure it out, and I finally decided that the best way is to combine some meat with a variety of vegetables. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ground turkey to cook with 7 different kinds of vegetables. This not only provides the flavor of meat, but also a healthy and satisfying vegetable dish. You might think 7 different kinds of vegetables. Is it actually possible? Yes, of course it is possible with my fast cooking system. And this is the reason I want to introduce this system to you. And with this system, you have many flexibilities. As is shown here, I start out the dish with some fermented black soybean and some ginger. This is part of my flavor chasing to create the type of flavor that we enjoy. I only use about 8 ounces of ground turkey because the ground turkey is served more as a condiment. Ground meat turned out to be an excellent way to spread out meat flavor over the entire dish. I prefer ground turkey or ground chicken because of its low fat content. When it comes to the selection of the vegetables, it based very much on what I have available on hand and what I think that will go together well. Some of the combinations are all standby, whereas some other combinations are something that I just try out. With advanced prepping, it is possible for me to try out different combinations. Otherwise, I would never be able to cook a dish like this because the prepping would take too much time. Cooking this vegetable medley actually is quite simple. I just use my basic stir-fry vegetable template. The first step is to stir fry the vegetable, and I stir fry them according to the order of what I would like to cook longer. Based on this principle, the vegetable that I would like to cook longer, I will add them to the wok first. The next step is to steam the vegetable to the desired texture. As you can see here, I'm doing what I call spot cleaning. When I add water to steam the vegetable, I add a little bit at a time. I place the water over the area that things that have burned and stick to the bottom of the wok, and then I use the wok spatula to detach them. Using this approach, not only I'm able to clean the wok as I cook, but at the same time I'm able to return the flavor back to the dish. Using this simple vegetable stir-fry template, I'm able to cook almost any type of vegetable medley that I want. In the description section of the video, I have included recipes that detail the ingredients that I use for this dish. To flavor this dish, I'm going to create a light teriyaki sauce, which is a combination of oyster sauce and followed by some hoisin sauce. This teriyaki sauce is one of the many possible sauces that you can create for this vegetable dish. You can imagine that these sauces are like salad dressings. And there's no reason that you could not create, say, a curry sauce, a Greek sauce, a cream sauce, or a sweet and sour sauce. Due to his health reasons, one of my friends needed to switch to a vegetable-centric diet. He cooked this dish almost every day. He told me that he loves it and he never gets tired of it. For him, this is just like a salad that are being prepared in the wok. He told me that cooking this dish is a lot of fun because he always come up with new combinations. He used to be a meat and potato type of person, so he finds that by adding a small amount of meat to this dish provide him the satisfaction of eating some meat. This dish is not only very simple to cook, but it's also very easy to clean up. This is what my friend Eugene would say, a one burner, one wok meal. You cook everything in a single burner using a single cooking utensil. At the end, it takes only 5 minutes to clean up. Home cooking is only sustainable if you enjoy what you cook. It is important that you not only enjoy the flavor of the food, but you also feel good after you eating them. For me, this dish checks all the boxes. It's not only easy, simple, and fun to cook, but afterward you feel really good about eating this type of food. With this dish, you know that you are eating the color of the rainbow as recommended by CDC. I think you might even agree with me that it tastes pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.